Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to rectify an issue like this. The item code.x that this shortcut refers to has been changed or moved or blah blah blah. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to come down to the thing is that if you try to open an application and it says this application cannot be opened because it contains a virus, because that is what it showed first before showing that, so you want to type in defender and you want to come to open, right? So if you are using Windows 10, right, if you are using Windows 7, you want to go to security, but probably you might not have issue like that. So this is mostly common with Windows 10, and so you want to come to your, you want to make sure you are in home and you want to make sure you are seeing this. So you come to virus and threat protection. So like I said, if you saw something like this application cannot be opened because it contains a virus, all you want to do is you want to come to manage settings and you want to switch off your antivirus, right? So you want to switch off your antivirus, then you try to run the application again, so it's going to open up. Now if you try to run the application and you see this, something like this, now it is saying check virus security or blah 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 or whatever. So to solve this particular issue, your defender has taken away that software .ex file because it sees it as a threat. So you want to come to where it says threat found, or you want to go back to the defender we just opened and you want to come down to virus and threat protection. So it's the same thing. So it's either you go to your notification panel or you come to virus and threat protection. So yeah, you are going to search. Now in this place you come down to protection history, you wait for it to load. So here you are going to search for the .exe file that is missing. So we want to come down to want to start searching. So you want to search for this and see if the name tallies. So you want to see if the name tallies. So I think this is the file because it recently just got removed. So now what you want to do, if you have seen what you are looking for, so like mine is saying the code.exe, so this is what we are looking for, and now you can see that it tallies with what we have here, right? Now what you want to do is you want to click on action and you want to click on allow, right? So that should allow the software. So you want to click on allow. So I want to click on allow. So it's going to allow that application to run. So now I'm going to click on it again and see what happens. So so let's check very well. So it has been allowed. There could be another, okay, there's another one. So we want to see restore. So you want to scroll down again if in case you click and it doesn't work. So you want to scroll down to where it says restore, and that is more important than even the allow, right? So you want to scroll down where it says restore. Now you see threat removed or restored, right? So you want to click on it and this should definitely work. So you see it's loading. So it's loading, so we are going to wait for it. So that is pretty much how you solve for your application being taken away by your Windows Defender or your antivirus or what have you. So you want to go, if it's an antivirus that you have installed, you want to go to the antivirus, into the application, check where that you want to go to quarantined, check where the application is, and then you restore back. If you are using an application like various antivirus application, you always want to go to quarantined. That is where you see situation. Now you can see that VS Code is running, right? So thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.